I wish that I could take back all the things I've done to hurt you. I didn't mean to be so cruel, yet I know that I've been selfish and at times a jealous fool. And every thoughtless thing I've done keeps coming back to haunt me, 'cause you took each one to heart. And as I realize that it's my fault, we've grown worlds apart.